So here we are on the Sunshine Coast. This is actually a Filterra bioretention system. This treats runoff from a commercial facility. It was only put in about 4 months ago. So this is basically 4 months worth of establishment. So it takes about a year for these systems to establish properly, like a normal bioretention system. But after that, it'll be fully operational. But it's currently receding flows, and we've had a stack of rainfall here on the Sunshine Coast in the last couple of days. But this is a system. It's sized at 0.3% of the upstream catchment, so it's a much smaller system than a conventional bioretention system, which are generally around 1 to 2%. But it's providing a really important stormwater treatment function. So essentially how it works, stormwater comes into this pit here and that pit over there, and essentially bubbles up via this bubble up point. So we're trying to get maximised flow distribution across the system, and treated water flows through the mulch and the filter media into under drainage and discharge into that pit and into downstream infrastructure. The mulch is really important. This is a double shredded hardwood mulch. Really good for providing, I guess, a screening function for incoming stormwater flows, but also really good at retaining moisture within the filter media. And we actually just dug a bit of a hole around here, and the media is obviously very wet from the most recent events, but even during sort of dry periods, the mulch is really good at retaining that moisture. But yeah, so far so good. 4 months growth, and it's looking pretty good so far. I might take you over just very quickly and have a look at one of the other systems we've got here. So there's 3 Filterra bioretention systems, and there's one more I can actually publicly access. This is one of our other Filterra bioretention systems here on the same site, again treating runoff from this commercial facility. It does take flow from a small swale channel, rockline channel. Flow comes into this pit, and it basically bubbles up via this bubble up point to sort of essentially achieve good flow distribution. Water again flows through the mulch and the media into the under drainage, and the treated water is discharged into this pit and downstream. Again, this system's about 4 months old. We put in similar to the other system I showed you. We've got a variety of tree species which look great, and a variety of plant species, lomandras, caraxes, etc. But yeah, 4 months in, still establishing, but still operating and providing a really good stormwater treatment function. And so far, looks really healthy. And it's getting a lot of rainfall here at the moment. So if you're interested in knowing more about Filterra bioretention systems, just drop us a line. We're more than happy to come talk to you.